Hello everyone. The former public protector Thuli Madonsela has reacted on the news that the former President Jacob Zuma has received a remission of his sentence and won't be returning to jail. The Correctional Services Minister Ronald Lamola outlined this decision to members of the media in Hatfield, Pretoria on Friday morning. Thuli Madonsela reacted on the Morning Live SABC page on Twitter. The Morning Live SABC said, breaking, former President Jacob Zuma is a free man. Justice and Correctional Services Minister Ronald Lamola says Zuma has received a remission of his sentence. Madonsela responded on the tweet and wrote, I support the remission of former President Zuma's sentence as Ubuntu and COD. The point regarding no one being above the law has been made and the teaching power of the law leveraged, and nothing more could be gained through further incarceration. There's also the fact that his release was the state's mistake. #Ubuntu. People reacted on Thuli's statement. Some were even disappointed that Thuli is in support of the remission of former president's sentence. One said, this is what mediocrity looks like and how it acts to poison standards. Another one said, Ubuntu, what nonsense is that? There is no Ubuntu in South Africa. While the big boys feed at the trough, the rest of South Africa cripples, bends and stumble over the mess this very political party has caused. You lost all your credibility at Thuli Madonsela. Someone also said, a good example of why academic titles mean nothing. Others even went as far as mocking Thuli Madonsela, saying that Thuli thought she was a special Stellenbosch Makoti and now she's seeing flames after showing support to former President Jacob Zuma. One said, they are showing Thuli Madonsela flames. She thought she was their special Stellenbosch Makoti. They are reminding her that she's black and she'll never be like them. And another one said, Thuli Madonsela being shown that she's nothing but a tool of the white man. I love white people because they do not pretend for long. Madonsela, just like Mashaba, Majosi Pumlani and Ramaphosa, thought they are darlings of whites. All racists will remind them they are black. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.